Hi guys,
I'm Lola.
I'm Milena and we are watching The Walking Dead
Season something, episode something.
So-
It's about Carol and... No, it's not about Carol.
No, it's not about Maggie, I
Maggie,
guess.
thank God.
And
Maggie.
Daryl.
We finally see Maggie after... It's been a while. It's about Maggie and Daryl.
Yeah.
I'm curious to see if they're gonna have a talk in this episode.
Yes, ok. Srce moje malo kako ti ne dostaješ.
Bože, meni isto. Uopšte nismo vidjeli ove sezone. Stvarno mislim da...
Jednu, dve epizode, dve.
Iskreno 2 epizode. O ne! Ovo me čini srećom i boli u istom trenutku. Ujebote. Ujebote. Šta? A prosto fascinantno, kako da se plače bička.
Aha, Rosita.
Ko? A, Rosita.
Jao, umreće, jao, ubit ću se.
Ona sigurno umire.
Jao.
Za nju nemam nikakvu sumnju da umire, Saša drugi.
Tako ne želim da umre.
I always found it hard getting close to anyone. Neighbors, friends, boyfriends.
Ha! Biblija.
In 10 minutes, I'm going to tell Maggie what's going on. It's up to you what you want to do with that. I'm doing what you ask.
Mislim, da samo ne ideš, da?
O, Bože.
Bježi!
Come here, Maggie. Where is she? Come on.
Okej.
Ok, baš biti zajedno.
Da, ali fazon igre misli da je Maggie mrtva, traži Daryla.
Da.
Ovo je previše blizu. Ne tu!
Pa to nije mjesto nikako!
Don't wait. They have the same ones you came out, Alexandra.
To je bukvalno mjesto da piše tražite me, ovdje sam. Su oni to sakrili za policiju?
Pazi, zašto nisu ovo uradili u pičku materinu?
O, vidi šok. Ostani tu. O, živote.
He wasn't. He didn't.
He deserved to die.
Ever since you got here, you haven't said a word to me. Would you look at me? Please. Daryl.
I'm sorry.
Stop it. It wasn't your fault. No, it wasn't. You're one of the good things in this world. That's what Glenn thought. And he would know. Because he was one of the good things too. die. But we have to win. Help me win.
The sex was just for fun. And the world's over.
Is that how it was with him?
Tyrion. No. I fell in with him because he saw I could handle my shit. And I never looked back. Maybe I just hated that he figured out his shit first. I never told anyone any of that stuff. Who I was, what I did.
I'm glad that you felt like you could.
Molim vas, nemojte da umrete.
Tek će sada da umre. Ispričala sve o sebi. Tek će sada da umre.
Never did tell Abraham I'm happy he was happy. It wasn't his time. It's not yours.
Abraham, we're about to go out and fight. And that asshole with the bat took that away too. To go out with a point to going out. No matter how it all goes down, I got your back.
I got yours. You think that works out there yet?
Samo da znam što će se desiti. Razlijedit ću umriti spasavajući Sašu.
Negan's home.
Ovo baš. A ne znam ni zašto se nada da će ga ubiti, kad znaš da ga neće ubiti sigurno.
Ja isto, ja bukvalno samo...
Ali moliš Boga! A znaš da je... To je bukvalno suludo. I da baš ne vjeruj sam. Znaš da ga neće...
This is Dr. Eugene Porter, Chief Engineer speaking.
Go in. I'm ready.
I'm not.
And I realize we're not friends.
Šta vas sprečava da ga ubijete?
Ne znam, sam znam šta ga pričam. Morali možda.
Wonderful. Are you okay? Where's Sasha and Rosita?
Ne, šta sad, nemoj ti i ovo, Bože, nemojte svi vi.
You can hardly handle it, darn.
Get up. You're gonna have to.
Ne. To nije pametno.
Get up, we're breaking you out.
To nije pametno, ostavite ga unutra. Eugene! Jo, Bože, ko me nerviraš.
I'm not going with you.
What?
I didn't ask you to come, so go. People gotta be around.
Ja se stvarno nadam ima neki plan zbog čega je unutra, nije samo ono što jeste. Jona, Bože, nemoj. Jona, molim te. Evo, molim te.
It's gonna take a second. Word could be coming back. Keep an eye on.
O, što je tako napito. samo nemojte sedi. Ja ne mogu, ja ovdje gledam sebe. Ja.
Sick. What the hell are you doing?
Go. It's not your time. There's gotta be a point to it, right? They need you.
Šta se dešava? Daryl, Daryl. Daj promo, molim te. Nemojte kako ovako završavate epizodu, koji mi je kurac. Zato što jedna stvar koju ti vidiš zbog čega pomisliš da je Daryl jer je luk i strela.
I kosa, ću pogledam kosu, mislim, pogledam tijelo, znam kako je građen, brate.
Da, mislim da je onda je ovo 2, vjerovatno.
Okay guys, so this was a great episode.
Yeah, I think we can both agree that our favorite scene was
Definitely
Daryl and Maggie.
That, yeah.
It was
Really
horrible.
waiting for that scene.
Yes,
for,
from like episode 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, also the Sasha and Maggie scene was great.
Sasha and Rosita.
Yes, Sasha and
Rosita.
Rosita.
I didn't expect it to like that scene
No, me
that
neither.
much, but it was
No,
great, really.
no. Yeah, in the next episode we're going to steal guns. From women, I think.
I don't know how that's gonna turn out.
Yeah, I don't...
I'm not sure.
I think, yeah, I don't know. It looks like they're going to take the guns, not like ask them to join in the fight against Negan. But we only have, after that episode, we have one more episode. So I don't... Yeah, because I don't know how they're gonna gather everyone.
There's no reason.
There's no time.
Maybe some cliffhangers gonna happen.
Oh, no, not a cliffhanger again. Yeah, no, we'll see you next week, and yeah.
Yes. Okay. Bye. See you.